This 2023 Shasta Shasta 18FQ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Shasta is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, leveling jacks, smoke detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Shasta Shasta 18FQ is 3,489 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.